Hi guys, this is Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another makeup video, perfect for teas or any parties or special occasion. So if you guys want to know how I get this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so once I'm done with my skincare and priming my face, I'm going to apply my Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and I'm in the shade Punjab. For the concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It's in the shade Light. So I like to apply my concealer under my eye area, forehead, nose, chin, and a little bit below that cheekbone to highlight plus conceal my face. And then again, I'm blending with my beauty blender to get that flawless look. So now I'm using my Laura Mercier setting powder to keep all my concealer in place. Okay, so for my brows, I'm going to use this Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade Medium Brown to shape plus fill my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm brushing my eyebrow to get that natural blended look, and then I'm brushing out all my setting powder. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Texture Eyeshadow Palette and taking this Sandalwood from the same palette as my transition color. Okay, now taking these two colors from the same eyeshadow palette and applying just below that transition color to get that ombre look. Okay, so now taking this bossy from the same eyeshadow palette and applying all over my eyelid and then dragging a little bit on my lower eyelid as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take this fling from the same eyeshadow palette and then applying just in the center of my eyelid to give that spotlight effect. So now I'm going to take this clean fluffy brush and blend my eyeshadow together so that it doesn't look harsh. So as usual, I'm going to use my Maybelline eyeliner and creating a small wing. Okay, so back to my face, I'm going to use this Anastasia Cream Contour Kit and contouring my face, especially my cheekbone, nose, forehead and jawline. So now I'm going to use this ELF bronzing powder to set my contour. Okay, so now moving on to my highlighter, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. It's in the shade Pink Sand and applying on my highest point of my face. Okay, so to get that naturally blushed look, I'm going to use this blusher from the same 3D highlighter palette. So now I'm going to highlight my inner corner and brow bone as well. So for the lipstick, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. Is in the shade Heartbreaker. So now you can add bindi, chuda or whatever you want to add, or if you want you can switch your lipstick to the nude one. So yeah, this is our final look. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.